Okay, folks, I'm gonna give you guys a little quick tour of the John Wayne Airport in Orange County, California. It's a pretty small airport with only 3 terminals, and I'm gonna try to do this in one take. So over there, if you can see, it's just more seats, not much going on, to be honest. A little newspaper stand over here. Let's go walk around. You can see, you can walk the whole thing in like 10 minutes. There's a coffee bean. Coffee bean. It's actually not too busy today for a Sunday. Coffee bean. California Pizza Kitchen. More gates, just people waiting around. Bathroom. So, McDonald's. I'm actually surprised it's not that busy for a Sunday. There is people, but it's not super busy. I checked in like 5 minutes. Here's a little shop to buy things. Construction going on over here. To my left are the security gates, but I'm not gonna film that. A little more kiosk stands. Some waters, candies, clothing, Sunglass Hut, more gates. This place, Rip Curl, never heard of it. More gates, waiting area. Ruby's Diner. Seems like everyone's eating. And this nice viewing area. Excuse the shakiness, I'm filming this with my phone and headphones. So yeah, here's the Ruby's. It's pretty crowded, well full. Little farmer's market shop. More gates. A wine shop. These people are ready to board.
All right, dude, let me drop off. I'll walk you back.
Brookstone, here's the wine shop. Brookstone Brothers. A medical center, but it's closed for some reason.
For those passengers on the Houston flight 2656 here at gate number 10, if you have any questions, you can come and see me here at the podium. It is open now.
There's an exit to my left, but I'm not gonna film that either. Another little shop to buy things you need for your flight. Candy waters. I guess it's a little more crowded over here. Starbucks. Starbucks. McDonald's. More gates. This restaurant called Hobby Sandbar. And that's it. The whole thing took me about 6 minutes. That's literally the whole terminal. There's this food court area. This electronic shop. Another marketplace. So there's only 3 terminals in this place. Terminal A, B, and C. There's a lot of construction going around, but it's been like a year since I've been here. Okay, so maybe it wasn't 6-7 minutes. It's more like 10. About 10 minutes to walk the whole terminal. I can see the end from here. To my left, there's more security. Yeah, so it's not that big. But it's a nice and a good sized terminal. Really clean. Our newsstand, CNN newsstand. County, a little bar. Carl's Jr. So once again, sorry for the shakiness, but I'm using my phone. I'm not using my big camera to film. So yeah, Carl's Jr. Little dogs. Coffee bean. Little sandwich shop. And that's really it. I can see the end from here. It's mostly just gates, seats, another bar. So most of the things are like right in the middle of the terminal. But I'll walk towards the end so you guys can see everything. So you get a feeling for it if you're ever in this airport. So it's the John Wayne Airport in Orange County, California. People having their morning drinks.
We offer many unique experiences for people of all ages, backgrounds, and
Little
experience
shop.
heritage.
Or
Thank you.
and that's it. Towards the end, about 300 more feet to the exit, and more gates and terminals. All right, well, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.